Already out here mowing hay. This is Wednesday. Kind of blew down a little bit. Wasn't the nicest cutting stand, but it did produce the way I wanted, so pretty happy about that. See a little bit of a yellow tint in the alfalfa. It was about a week and a half past when I should have cut it, and the alfalfa aphids were getting to it. And notice here I'm not going round and around. I'm going to try mowing it off here in the land. Josh Timer convinced me to do that. And the only reason I didn't like doing it the other way, going round and round, is when you rake, it's hard to get the corners, get a decent rollover on the hay when you rake. So you seems like you're either missing it completely or it just kind of bunches it up. So but this turned out real well, baling and everything. Finally good to get this kind of wrapped up. I had the grass and the alfalfa and everything, trying to get it all done, and just kind of run around all over the place, take a couple hours here, a couple hours there to go rake it or whatnot. But felt good to get it put up in the barn. raking it a little bit. Took two and put it into one. Rolled over pretty well. It just, I'd end up turning it once more before I bailed it. Hoping I wouldn't have to. We just didn't have any wind to blow through the windrow, so just the way it is. Typical Illinois weather. It's always hazy out and humid. Having trouble with the follow me thing on the drone. Every now and then it gets into one of them, or it's got a mind of its own, and it just kind of, it'll turn and follow you, but it won't actually follow you. Yeah, it's sure a lot easier raking it like this. Should have done that years ago, but no, now. Well, you'll have to tune into the next video and see how the baler ran, so thanks for watching.